The Nkulumane by-election has taken the residents of Nkulumane by storm, and collectively the people of Luaya, because this time it is a dog-eat-dog situation in Nkulumane. All political parties are contesting. ZANU-PF is contesting, ZAPO is contesting, Triple C is contesting, MDC T is contesting, independent candidates contesting. And new to this scenario is the widow of the late Desire Moyo. She is also contesting as an independent. Mbuso Fuzwayo, formerly of Ibechireka Zulu, who has also been involved in political, issues in Ulawe, is also contesting. We have Rodney Jene, the former councillor, also contesting. And we have Zapo, Vivian Siziba is also contesting. We have EFF also contesting. So this is time, it is up to the people of Nkulumane to choose their favorable candidate. This time there are 9. So of the 9, they must be the best candidate or the favorite for Nkulumane constituency to come up and represent the Nkulumane. This is Clifton Tabura, Choice News Africa, Nkulumane.